One snowy morning as Cheryl Smith was working from home.
Oh, an email. Finally some work. Important document.
After hours of pretending to work, she finally received an email with an important document in it. She opened the email, only to find an overwhelming amount of data. Oh no! How is she ever going to complete this work? Never fear. Captain Fortran is here with the power of Read CSV File. CSV stands for comma separated values. It is a type of data storage system that allows the user to store text in a way that's easy to separate and easily retrievable. Here is an example of a small CSV file. As you can see, there are multiple lines and the data in between each line is separated by a comma. This first line in the CSV file is special because it contains the header information. As you can see, instead of containing data, it contains labels for the data. And each of these labels is in the corresponding place to that data type in all of the following lines. For example, first name is the first section for the header line in this data. Then, on the following line, the first value is James. This indicates that James is the first name for that set of data. But how does this help Cheryl? How can we use all of this data if it's all stuck together? This is where the power of Read CSV File comes in. Here's an example of a script you could write in Python that would take the CSV file and give you a list of data separated by lines and by commas. To break it down, we're first going to look at this line of code where it says split lines.
To better understand how this function works, think of the CSV file you put in like a piece of paper. It has all of the data, but it's all stuck together. So we put it in the function, and split lines essentially is acting like a pair of scissors, and it's cutting up this piece of paper on the lines. So essentially what you're getting is a new list that has each of the lines separated, but it maintains the order you put them in. This is important when you'll go later to split these lines on their commas.
Next, we're going to look at this line that says line.split, parentheses, with a comma in quotes. This is going to show us how we do the final part of the splitting.
This second split function is also very important. It allows you to take these lines that you split up and split them apart on their commas. This is cool because you know that the types of data are the same for each location. So once you've split them apart on the commas, you've split them apart by the type of data. This allows you to get a stack or list of first names, a list of last names, and finally, in this case, a list of phone numbers. However, they're still in the same order you originally put them in. This is important because if I wanted to know, say, what Sarah's phone number was, I know that Sarah is the third value for first names. This means that her phone number is also the third value. So I can simply ask, what is the third phone number in this list? And I know it's Sarah's. This will be great for Cheryl because she wants Jim's phone number. So once she knows where Jim is in the list of first names, she can simply look at that same location in the list of phone numbers and know what Jim's phone number is. Wow! Thank you, Captain Fortran. You really have saved the day. Now I can get Jim's phone number to my boss and be back to playing games and enjoying my snow day in no time.